Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got my monthly box opening from watchgang. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing the Hell Gray Bomber. This is one that I bought off of Kickstarter a long time ago. I have more than one watch from Hell Gray and love them both. Now, let's start opening this up. And if you are looking to save some money, make sure you click the links below. There's promo codes and discount codes from different watch companies and a link to sign up for watchgang. Also, guys, make sure if you enjoy the video to like and subscribe. It helps keep the channel going. And if you're into old cars, check out my other channel, Mileage Unknown. Me and my brother are always wrenching on some old cars. Let's see what we got here. Have you claimed free points? Now, the last couple months from watchgang have been, we'll say, on the miss side of the hit or miss. And if you're unfamiliar with watchgang, it is a monthly watch subscription company. There's different tier levels. The only one I still subscribe to is the black tier level, which is $150 a month. There's also a lower and higher tier level. Now, when I signed up, it was $99 a month, and that's actually what I'm still paying. I was grandfathered in at that $99 a month. Now, this one is called Infrared. It's not a watch company I've ever heard of, which it seems like the last few months there again have been a little hit or miss on whether they were names and brands I recognized or not. So this one looks like we have an MSRP of $245, and there is the SKU number, so I'll have to do some research on this one. Let's see, what's the case back say? It's funny because I always get kind of bashed in the comments when I'm trying to read the case back, or whether I'm trying to tell whether it's an automatic or a quartz movement. I'm going to say this is a quartz movement at this price point to have a three-hand, or three subdials. It's definitely going to be a quartz movement, but sometimes it's hard to tell when you're looking through the camera what you're actually looking at. Now, I love a red dial watch. I always have. I feel like there should be more, and I don't know why more people don't go with the red. It looks so cool to me. We got a nice unidirectional bezel, has nice firm clicks, and there is different divots or different points in the bezel that make it easy to grab. The markers are pretty cool. The black and red on this one is very nice. Let me pause for just a second, pull the plastics off. With the plastics off, you get a little bit better look at that dial. I actually really, really like that red and black combo. Something that does let it down is we have just kind of one of those pressed steel buckles with a little fold over clasps. Now, I haven't had a lot of issues with these, to be honest, but when you have a decently nice bracelet, you can immediately hear how cheap it actually makes it sound by having just that stamped thin fold over. I mean, it's not the worst thing in the world. A couple of the last months, I think the fold over buckles and clasps were worse than this one. But like I said, you have a fairly nice bracelet. It's fairly nice and chunky. It has a good fit to it. And then you get just that. Now, of course, while it's sized and on, you don't hear a bunch of rattly craziness, but it can change the way it feels. I haven't had any break on me, so I can't really say that they're the end of the world huge issue, but so here it is on my roughly 7-inch wrist, and I'm going to say this one's kind of at my limit for size anymore. I've tended to go to smaller, thinner, cleaner watches. They just feel better to me anymore, but this one is fairly thick and chunky. You can see If you have a little bit bigger wrist, I'm removing probably 4 links and using micro adjustments, which is nice that it does have micro adjustments there. So you definitely have some room if you have a little bit bigger wrist than I do. This one, I'm going to say, is probably maybe 45 millimeters. It's up there. The lug to lug feels really wide on this. So if you have a wide wrist, you can see it kind of hangs over on mine. So this one might be a little bit big for me, but I love that red and black combo on the dial. So I don't know. This one will get sized and worn just because I love the color combo. I love a red dial. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.